Hey guys, check it out. We're at Goodwood Festival of Speed 2019. Obviously I've come to the Land Rover stand, which is fantastic. Jaguar Land Rover always put on a really good show. But what we're really here to see is the new Defender, which I was very surprised to see right here. Jaguar Land Rover has actually chosen to display their test vehicle right here at Goodwood Festival of Speed. Fantastic. I can't believe I'm actually seeing this. It is still quite heavily camouflaged, as you can see. A lot of wrap going on here, a lot of stuff that's still very hidden, but we can get a general look for the general taste of the outline of the vehicle, which is really rather cool. A lot of styling cues, back to the original Defender obviously. You've got the wheel arches, you've got the waistline, very vertical rear end, side opening rear door, which is also very Defender. I think it's quite cool. Kind of like the look of it. What do you think? Tell me down below, man. Wheel on the back, Defender logo. Rear lights still to be decided. It's an evolution, obviously. Not even an evolution, it's a revolution in my opinion. The suspension is still very difficult to figure out. We don't know if it's going to be airbags, possibly. Don't know about the wheel articulation, looks pretty good. There's only so much you can do with a display model and try and keep it a secret until the official unveiling. Also, you see the windows, see the wrap. That means it's quite a small aperture maybe. You tell me down below. And all these squares behind the rear door. It's quite a generous rear door, in fact. It's quite long. I mean, compared to the 110 these days, which is quite a small door to enter and exit out of. Door handles look generic. Integrated snorkel. Pretty big tires. These are 20 inches. Very specific tire for that. There you have the front end, which is quite disco in my opinion. Still quite wrapped up, so we don't know what the two corners will be, or these radiators. The lamps, pretty cool. It's difficult to see inside, they've obviously kept that quite hidden. Very prominent rear view mirrors on the doors. I like the big doors actually, that's pretty cool. The roof line kind of echoes the old Defender as well. See how it slopes to the front windscreen. Very interesting little details everywhere, which is fascinating. It's always very difficult to see what the final product will look like. It's always a very controversial vehicle. Land Rover has been on this one for the last, I don't know how many years, trying to get it right, trying to please everyone. It is their icon, it is their halo vehicle. The whole brand rests on the Defender, really. They're trying to move more upmarket, trying to gain more interest, get a wider audience. This is actually where everyone is headed. The utilitarian aspect of these vehicles is disappearing slowly, I guess. We can get under here. Very clever. Very clever how they put grass here to kind of protect the underside, so we can't really see what's going on. So yeah, I think they're marketing this as a separate brand to the Range Rovers and Discoveries. Some people find the Discovery quite upmarket now, quite luxury, and you need something a little more of a workhorse, and this is probably where that is aimed at. I think it's pretty cool.
Going to be our own continuing.
There you go. Defender. So you tell me, what do you reckon?